it's been going on like past like 3 minutes or 5.5 minutes, and showing out that transformer. Like screwing it up. I don't want guys. If it's compressor doing that, if you have compressors like this, if you know how to do it, then comment down below what you have compressors just like this, or but we have landlord. But reason why I'm making this video, cause tell you a story again. When Friday night, like that evening, going poop, going to the bathroom, and then I flushed the toilet, and then cause I need to wait use toilet paper again first, and then after that flush, and then I hear just like this. Okay. Sparking. Okay. And then I was like, my housemate's like, I heard her like in the bathroom the whole time, and I heard her say, what the F? I thought it was nothing, and then thought tried to open the door, like one of my staff, or my housemate.
What are you doing in there?
Times.
Can everybody stay out of here? Show them to record a video so we can send it to the landlord.
Okay. I'm making a YouTube video.
I know she just said it's not safe to be in here when it makes that sound.
Okay.
She wants me to send a video first.
Okay. And it was like that like before, like on Friday night, and then I heard my housemate like, what the F? And like she asked me like, did you do something? I said no. I was in the bathroom the whole time. And then I let Nicole know, like, lead, and yeah, and then he took care of it, and then yesterday didn't do that, and then today it started again. Yeah, and if that happens for you guys, if you have a compressor like that, that reason is like so much pressure is inside that compressor, and if you don't know how to do that, you probably should get somebody to help you, or look it up online how to do it. And yeah, the reason why it's not doing that anymore because it want that water, and bad quality because I'm using a laptop, because this doesn't have SD card slot. If I had that slot, if I had the adapter, it would be nice and be a whole lot easier, but better quality. And the microphone be not as distorted like this. The microphone that came with this laptop, not as like distorts. And comment down below and what you think, and also hit the like button, subscribe, hit hit notification bell, subscribe, and share. And I hope you guys have a nice day. Bye.